Welcome back to another episode of R&D Garage. We're here hanging out with Hazem, Wang, Oni, and Matt. Matt's already got his car half apart. What?
I said, wow, I get last to mention. After the dog.
That's what you get.
Yeah, the dog is more important.
The dog worked on my car for me.
Anyways.
I need a dog box.
Yeah.
You got 4 speeds?
Anyways, it looks like Matt finally got his temperature thingy. Is that what this is? Infrared thermometer? Yeah. Woo! Now you'll be able to see temperatures, I guess.
I've always wanted one.
Basically, he's working on suspension stuff. The car is sort of dialed. Still missing a headlight for no reason.
Hey, I got the bracket.
Still no bumper.
Nuh-uh. Oh my god.
Spare axles too.
Wow.
I got a spare diff as well.
Moving on up in the world. I did not expect that, I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah.
Nice.
I bought all that and then looked at my bank account and I was like, I shouldn't have bought all that.
At least I have 2 headlights. Today we're gonna be working on something pretty awesome. Bellraceworks, this guy, the guy you guys know from the diff braces, he is designing and testing, prototyping front and rear bash bars for the Z and G35s. And pretty excited because I got the first set. I'm gonna test it on this thing, one of the first set. He gave it to multiple people to test. Fortunately, my car is broken, so you won't see a drive with it. Not that it matters, but we're gonna install it on the car and check it out and test jacking and all that stuff. And hopefully I can show you that. But before we do that, here is the Bellraceworks website and how you order a diff brace, which my G35 needs one.
Big addition.
This is what that diff brace will look like when it is installed. It's gonna look beautiful and amazing. And now this one bolt is not the only thing holding your diff. It won't be able to rotate on that. That is attached there and holds it. It's a must-have for any car, drift car or daily. My G, when I do like clutch kicks or burnouts or something like that, I have 275 tires in the rear, and all of that moves and makes all kinds of clunking noises. I'm super excited to put that. Now back to the magic. This is what we will be testing today, which is the new bars. Pretty excited. That's the front one. That is the rear one. These are very functional. They're not like all those other bars you see on the internet that are mostly so they look pretty, but they add a shit ton of weight and pipes. These are going to be functional to absorb hit and not mess up or tweak the frame. Or the strut tower, any of that, no pulling of any sort. You got to remember, these are prototypes, so they might look a little different when they go up on the website. Anything that he has done from this will be an improvement from testing and obviously actual real world application. So far, I've never had anything in the front of my car. This car came with a front end hit, and it's never had anything up front. Now I want to tell you guys a little secret about this car, which I haven't shared with anybody. This frame right here is tweaked. It's actually pushed over this way, which you can see right here. So that's a crack, and this is actually pushed over this way. So that's going to affect the way that goes on. But I will have to, you know, loosen it all up and tighten it up little by little and see how they go. But The stock mount that goes from here is like rubber. You can buy these and bolt your stock bar if you wanted to, just an improvement. Or these come with the front bash bar that we're about to install. And they're offset bolts like that, so it's easy to get to everything. And yeah, I'm gonna see if my assistant Hazem can help me pick it up. It's been all of 10 minutes and me and Oni are dying. We're sweating like crazy. Florida's ridiculous and it will kill you. It's, how hot is it in here? This thing will say. It's like, I think it's like 90.
This is 94.
94 degrees in this shop. And it's what time now? Like 8 o'clock at night, so it should be a lot cooler, and it is not. F you, Florida.
Ah!
Let's put it on. It's got to flex some, so I don't know how we're gonna do this yet. Just put it on there, and we'll put a bolt through and see what's happening.
Bro, there's a lot of flex.
Yeah. All right, we're gonna have to loosen the back ones. But
that's what I mean.
put one of those through. All right, the bash bar is on. We're not gonna look at it too closely because we had to like manhandle some of these bolts in place.
He likes to put it.
But they work. Here, pull it. Like, pull on it. Okay. Now stand on it. Not that you would be much of a test, but.
I mean, I'm like a good 130, 140 pounds.
Okay, okay. Seems to be working.
How bad would it be if I stepped on it and just broke off?
Like, right? Just fell right to the ground.
Like,
Only approved. We had to pull this one, like loosen all those bolts and then pull this and then pull that and like slowly do it all at the same time.
It's not because of the bash bar.
No, yeah, I already expressed it's not the bash bar. This frame rail is moved over this way, so it moves this whole arm over like that. So like there was like a triangle gap here, so we ended up having like, and well, that's what it looks like. So that's why I needed these long bolts for the reach. Sorry, Arthur, but I got a piece of crap car. So, but thanks for the bash bar.
No.
Hazem, would you do me the honors of lowering the rear of the car? See what the front looks like. All right. That's the car on the ground. That's what that looks like. I like it a lot. Let me put the hood down. Ooh, yeah. That looks really good.
You need to get rid of your horns. It's cleaner.
Why? I want to use my horns.
Are they even hooked up?
Beep. Actually, they are not.
I don't need them.
Damn it. You're right. But they look like turbo snails.
And also your, get rid of this. This is your airbag indicator thing, which yours is probably blown.
Yeah, I don't have an airbag at all.
So you can take this whole thing off, get rid of, cut all that wiring out, get rid of all the fan wiring.
I mean, you know what, Matthew? Is that even your real name? It's not, right? It's
Yeah.
Matt. Is it Matthew? It's a full name, Matthew. Anyways, you know what, Matthew? It doesn't matter because...
It blocks airflow. Cooler.
No, because I'm putting a bumper on, unlike somebody.
Oh, we're in Florida. Like, what are you doing?
Having no front bumper in Florida is like wearing a tank top or a wife beater. It's like, you have to because it's hot. Can you, Hazem, please grab the front bumper? My assistant Hazem is going to demonstrate how you install a front bumper properly on a 350Z today.
Well, you know why? Because Florida is skid pads. And skid pads have cones. And people hit cones. When you hit cones, it destroys the bumper. Hence my first bumper ever.
Well, this is the point of the bash bar. The whole point. You need to put it above the thing. You got it. Above the thing. Looks great. I love it, Hazem. Perfect. 4 zip ties later, we got a bumper. And here's the best part about it. It's sturdy. It's like right there. That's perfect. This obviously doesn't line up, but it never did. This side lines up though. Like Matt's pants after he went to Taco Bell. This car is all sort of like, and it works. How hot am I right now? Very hot right now.
93 skin tone.
All right here you can see how close it is to the bumper. It's basically touching it all the way through, and it is right there on the bumper right here. That was just the front bash bar here at our Dean Garage, Bellraceworks bash bar. Now we're gonna do the rear bash bar and see how it fits, and we'll put the bumper back on. Okay. Lovely assistant has him. Please, can you grab the rear bash bar? If you can knock him out on the way up, that'd be great. That works. Now I am an anxious person, and I already took off my rear. I did have a rear bash bar back here. It's basically a couple clips on the side, and it slides out in this direction, and some clips on the top that are click on. And then, oh, you're not gonna be able to get it by yourself, probably. It slides in. There you go. Never mind. Hasm's got it. It can literally stay there because those little brackets hold it in place. Just a bolt here. That's it. And one more bolt. Okay, let it go. And that is it for the rear bash bar. We just need to put the rest of the bolts. When you do go to do this, it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 bolts on either side, and the stock one has that big aluminum piece. You take the 4 bolts that are out of the aluminum piece, then you take these 5 bolts or 7 bolts off, and then you just bolt this straight up to it, and that is the end of that. Pretty simple. Now we have a jacking point, so we don't have to go all the way to the diff like we were doing. We just have it right here. I was told it'll fit perfect right here on the bumper. We're just gonna have to cut a little like hole on the bottom of the bumper for this to stick out, because it is like barely sticking out on a stock bumper.
It's 6 bolts either side.
6 bolts. Okay, has them with the right count. I want to say what I really like about this bar, and it's the same concept I have on my S13 and I've used for years. It is a single bar, no dual bar, no extra weld, extra structure like most of the guys that are running out there. Like even Matt in his other car, he's running some dual rear bash bar, and those things, when you hit, it transfers all the energy to the aluminum that is the tin can of a 350Z, which at the end of the day ends up messing up your frame rail. Now this bar is a single bar, and the stress would be right here, so when you hit there, it'll actually absorb the hit and just bend here, which means this won't get pulled in that direction. A dual one that they have with like triangulation is really bad. That's why there's hey, does your other bar fit under a bumper? Exactly, it doesn't fit under a bumper, and it is way stronger, which in my opinion will bend your frame rails and the aluminum that is a tin can of a 3DZ. This bar is a better design. It's the same concept I have on my S13. Didn't even do anything.
I'm not gonna smoke the show. My rear end vents, so.
Had someone that vaped here.
One of my rings are still bad.
Piston rings?
Yeah.
I guess that works.
A little bit.
Alright, Lovely System has them. Or Wang, somebody. Jack up the car. I want you to get out the way. Get out. Oh. Oh, prototype bash bar. Very good. Much work. Yes. Very excited. We changed tire. Okay. Nice.
We have liftoff.
Alright, now we have to bring it down, now that we tested this, and put the bumper on. See how that's gonna work. Well, I was trying to cut it with the scissors, and it was working. I think the scissors just broke. Yeah, the scissor broke. Alright, that looks beautiful. Did it all by eye. Let's check again. The bumper's on. It's really annoying to put on right here because of these side clips. Just need a zip tie there. That's it. Top's on. And this is what it looks like down here where I made that cut. You can make the cut a little cleaner if you wanted to. You saw me just do it by eye. The jack goes right there. Now I can see it clearer when I come up from behind. I might paint it a different color or something so you can see it like for real. Bash bar is like right here, right underneath the light, which is the most optimal place. If you see this bumper, it goes up like that. It sticks down. This is where it would touch the wall at angle. That's exactly where the bash bar hits. So that's perfect. Super stoked on this. I think Oni likes it too because she won't leave. She wants to be right here while we work on it. Matt, what are you doing back there?
Getting tires ready for round 3.
Round 3 where?
Bristol, Tennessee.
Okay. And you gonna win?
I plan to.
He plans on winning.
I'm gonna win practice at least.
Yeah. Am I going to that?
Yeah, I hope so.
Okay. Well, I will be going to that. We'll be recording round 3 coming up. When is that? This weekend coming up, and today is Monday.
Tuesday we leave Thursday.
We leave Thursday. Yep. And Bristol, Tennessee, here we come. I hope not to leave another set of teeth with you. And you know, we'll win around finally. What did you break?
Just hit me in the forehead.
The tab came off.
Oh, that's normal. It's a metal duck bill and a little plastic, so it tends to break all the time. We got replacements over there. Oh my god. Bash bars are on, front and rear. I'm super excited. I still have to fix the clutch in this car, so that's the next step. It is black, that's what we chose. We like, you know, concealed inside the car, none of this fancy stuff. And black matches everything else. So I don't know what's gonna end up happening with colors. I'll ask Bell and see if he's gonna give a color selection like he does with his handbrakes. But if you already saw that, you already saw his website, and it is amazing. Go get a diff brace, go check out his e-brakes and seat rails, and coming soon bash bars. I believe he told me the front bash bar price is going to be $299. The rear bash bar price is going to be $199. That is still tentative. This is prototype. If more material goes into building them in time, the price can change, or it could be less. I don't know. But I'm pretty excited to announce this and be glad to work with Bellraceworks. So please go to Instagram on the description, give them a like, give him a follow, tell him I sent you, tell him you like his product, tell him your diff brace is the best. I don't know, just be cool, support the channel, support our sponsors. Thank you so much for liking, subscribing. See you in Tennessee. Goodbye.